All right. Hey guys. So I want to do a quick tutorial on how to log into our social studies curriculum. I'm going to use Emily, my daughter's information. So hopefully that'll work for you guys as well. So from the Olympia School District homepage, I want to click my portal, which is in the top right-hand corner over here. And I want to sign in. Now, once you've signed in, I think it'll save it for you. Yep, so right down here, I have Emily's sign in. So I'm going to use hers, Macintosh EB at students.osd.wednet.edu. I know it's long. And then I'm going to put her password in, which is just her student number. Looks like it's already saved in there. So now I'm going to click next. And I am logged in. So I want to click the home button here to take me to my portal once I'm signed in. All right, so here is Emily's account information, or just her portal. So I am going to focus on just the social studies. So the social studies TCI is on the left-hand corner over here. You want to click that, and then it's going to ask for your login information. So the login, you want to use my email first. So jmacintosh at osd.wednet.edu. You have to have that initially. Now, your student username is your student username, just like you log into the portal in your Chromebook. So Emily is Macintosh EB. Your password for social studies is just your student number. Okay, figured it out. And then you're going to sign in. So I have Emily logged into our class just so I could show you how to do this. So here's what you'll see, and these are all of our chapters. You can kind of scroll through to see what we're going to be doing. Part of this we'll be using for our information right later on in the school year as well. So the tab I want to focus on right now is assignments. So when you click assignments, you're going to see what I've assigned for you. Right now it's just lesson 3, which is chapter 3. You're going to read the section, read this chapter 3, take notes, and there's a game at the end. So if I click the drop down, it'll show me all of the sections. I want you to start with the introduction. And once you click that, it'll take you to the text page. And you have a lot of options up here. You can have it read to you.
1. Introduction.
Now,
in chapter 2, you read a...
So she's not the best fluent reader, but it works. So if you need it read to you, go ahead and do that. You can have it read to you in Spanish or words in Spanish. It'll take you to the Spanish version. Go back to English here. Click this star button. It gives you the main ideas, and I really want you to look at that. So click the star, and it'll give you the main ideas of the section. And then at the bottom, you're going to answer the questions, and this is what I'm going to be looking at. Please use complete sentences. So where in the United States would you use each of these types of sports equipment? Write a sentence for each picture to explain your answer. So this type of equipment would be used in ... And so that's what I want you to do, complete sentences. And then you have a drawing option here. So draw a symbol for each piece of equipment on the map to show where it would be used, make a key for the map. So there's really cool drawing options to show me your thinking on the map. And then when you're done, you hit next section and it saves for you. So take a look around, see how much you can do for this week. I'd like you to get through, I think I said the first 4 sections of chapter 3. So see how much you can get done, and I can't wait to see your thinking. All righty, how do we stop this?